No Start condition, P1205 fuel pump control module, internal performance. Check fuse F70, 30 amp. Fuse is good. So you checked your fuse in the tip-em. Your 30 amp fuse, F70, it's good. So while cranking, you check power on the dark blue orange at your fuel pump control module. If you have power going in, but no power coming out for your fuel pump on the dark blue orange, you're probably going to need a new fuel pump control module. You can check your N11, your N12 circuit, which controls the pulse width modulated, but your problem is usually this fuel pump control module. This is where your module location is. Here's your drive line, your gas tank. There's where the model's at right there. There's your connector.